CorelDRAW is a powerful and versatile graphic design software suite that excels in vector illustration, layout, and photo editing. Its interface is user-friendly, making it accessible to designers of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. CorelDRAW's toolset is comprehensive, allowing users to create intricate vector illustrations, detailed page layouts, and edit photos with precision. One of the standout features of CorelDRAW is its exceptional typographic capabilities, which include advanced text handling and font management. This makes it particularly useful for projects involving complex layouts and typography, such as brochures, flyers, and posters. Additionally, the software supports a wide range of file formats, ensuring compatibility with other applications and facilitating a smooth workflow. CorelDRAW is also known for its robust color management tools, which enable designers to achieve accurate color consistency across different media. This is crucial for branding and other projects where color integrity is key. The software suite also includes Corel Photo Paint, which offers additional photo editing capabilities, enhancing the overall versatility of the package. The software's integration with other tools and services, including extensive support for importing and exporting files from other graphic design software, adds to its flexibility. CorelDRAW also has a strong community of users and extensive online resources, including tutorials, templates, and a knowledge base, which help new users get up to speed quickly and allow experienced users to delve deeper into advanced techniques. Overall, CorelDRAW stands out as a robust and reliable graphic design tool that offers extensive features and tools tailored to the needs of today's graphic designers. Whether creating logos, social media graphics, web graphics, or traditional print products, CorelDRAW provides a comprehensive and efficient platform for turning creative visions into reality.